Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we had started our topic notice writing, in which we had done our first point, that was lost notice. Today we are going to start our second point, that is found notice. The format of the notice I have already discussed with you. I am going to show you again. I hope you all have written this format in your fair notebooks. I have already told you that only the content of the notice will change. All the types of notices have same format. One more thing, yesterday a few students did not make box around the notice. So be careful, it is compulsory to make the box around the notice. नोटिस के अराउंड बॉक्स बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज इट इज़ रॉन्ग. सेकेंड, द वर्ड्स शुड नॉट एक्सीड 50 से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स नहीं होने चाहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट इज़ फाउंड नोटिस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द कंटेंट. Beginning line will be the same. This is to inform all the students, members of the society, teachers, whoever are there, that then we will write about the thing which is found. In lost notice we had written about the thing which was lost. Here we will write the thing which is found. Then we will write when, where, time, means when the thing was found, where and at what time it was found. Then afterwards we will not give the description here, means we have found the suppose we have found any bottle, then we will not tell that what is the color of the bottle, because in lost notice we have told about our thing, but here we will not tell. Here we will directly tell the owner to take the thing by giving the description. The owner will give the description before taking it. Now how we can make the line, किस तरीके से बना सकते हैं हम इस line को. The owner can take it from any place, suppose reception, in charge, undersigned, whatever you want to give, you can give by giving the required description. Means the owner can describe his things, ताकि हमें पता चले. सपोज कि अगर हमने ये बता दिया कि ये चीज़ इस तरीके की है, देयर इज़ अ ब्लैक स्ट्रिप ऑन इट, so many students or so many persons can come and claim that thing. Only the owner can know that what is the sign on that thing. So we will tell the owner to describe the thing and take it. You can also give the suggestion to the owner to take care of things in future. हम owner को सजेशन भी दे सकते हैं कि वो अपनी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखे. I hope now you have understood how to do the notice. I am going to again show you. Once see it carefully. Now I am going to give you one example. Here is an example for you. You are Rajiv Shukla, the head boy of Delhi Public School, Karnal. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a bicycle found in the school. Write the notice in about 50 words announcing the find and inviting the rightful owner to claim it after identifying. Put the notice in a box. I have already told you that you have to keep the notice in a box. So here is an example. You say it. Watch it carefully because it is very useful for you. Thank you and have a nice day.